I was hosting a Valentine's night with my girls when all of a sudden, disaster struck. But wait a minute. But what am I gonna do? This is my brand new white carpet that I just had put in. Good thing I know the right people to come and help me out. It's Royalty Carpet. Come with me to watch how they get this stain out of my brand new carpet. Thank you so much for being my Valentine this year, Royalty. And safe to say, you guys are definitely invited to my Valentine's Day next year.